Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to solve the past paper of Cambridge IGCSE. The paper is Mathematics and paper number is 2 and paper version is 21. The remaining part of this paper from question number 11 to 21. This is the second part of this video. Which one? This paper is held in May-June 2023. The total time of this paper is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now we solve question number 11. Question number 11. Describe a single transformation that map part A, triangle A into triangle B. This is a triangle A and this is a triangle B. So show that this is a scale factor is 1 and this scale factor is 1 and 2. So it is an enlargement with scale factor 2, 1 to 2. Okay, so first point is enlargement. Enlargement with scale factor is scale factor is 2, and if we draw a center, then we need this is a center, and now this point. So this is a center. The center point is 7 and x is 0. So the center is x is 0 and y is 7. Part B, triangle A into C. So this is a triangle A and this one is triangle C. This is a rotational with 90 angle. Okay, because this is a vertical and this is a horizontal, so it is a 90 degree rotation with 90 degree rotational. Rotational 90 degree, and third one is clockwise. Having center, if we shift this triangle in this side, so this triangle having a center is 1 and 3 and 1, having center is 3 and 1. So center is 3 and 1 using the paper. Okay, using paper and draw the center. Question number 12, part A. This is a diagram. OA, OB and OC are radii of the circle. So OA, OB and OB and OC is the radii of a circle. Side AB, this side is equal to side BC. This side means that cut means that this side and this side are equal to each other. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Draw a ring around the correct criterion for this statement. Correct criteria is look here. This is a side. OA is a side. OB is also side, and OC is also side. So using side theorem, to prove this triangle. So the correct statement is here on the side congruent theorem. Part B. This is the diagram. P, Q, R, S are point of the circle and T, Q, U is a triangle to the circle at Q. P, R and SQ intersect at a point O, and PQ is parallel to SR. Angle RQU is equal to 42. This angle is equal to 42. Now that this is a right angle, so it is equal to 90 degree, but we take only this angle because we find angle S. So this is an angle S. Okay, this is a 90, so 90 minus 42, 90 minus 42, that is equal to 48. So this angle is equal to 48, and now this is a right angle, so this is also equal to 90. So we find this angle is equal to 48 and this angle is equal to 90. So using a formula to solve the angle of triangle, sum of angle is equal to 190. So 180 minus this angle is equal to 90. 90 minus 48, that calculate these values, we get 42. So final answer is 42. Here is angle is 42. Part B. Find the angle PQS. This is Q. We find this angle P, Q and S. We know that this side and this side are parallel to each other, so alternate angle is equal to each other. This angle is equal to 42 and this angle is also equal to 42. So angle PQS is also equal to 42. Now find angle POS, this angle. So we know that this point and this point, this is a central angle. So central angle is a double of circumangle. So this is a circumangle. So a central angle is always double. So 2 multiply 42. 2 multiply with 42, that is equal to 84 degree. Question number 13. Anaya invests $6,000 in an account that pay compound interest at a rate of R% per year. At the end of 8 years, the amount of the earn is $621.70 in interest. Calculate the values of R. We use a formula that is equal to A is equal to A for amount, P for principal, 1 plus R over 100 over all power T. So A is equal to 1 plus P, I plus P. I for interest, P for principal is equal to P into 1 plus R over 100 over all power T. So I is this one is simple interest, that is equal to 621.70. 621.70 70 plus P is principal, that is equal to 6000 is equal to P is equal to 6000 into 1 plus R over 100 overall power T, and T is years, that is equal to 8 years. Sum of these values, we get 6621 6621.70. This 6 multiply with this factor. If we shift on other side, it will be divide. 6000 is equal to 1 plus R over 100 overall power 8. To find the values of R, we take 8 roots on both sides. Taking 8 roots on both sides, so calculate these values. We get 1.012 is equal to power of 8 cancel with 8 root, remaining is 1 plus R over 100. So this one shift on other side, so 1.012 minus 1 is equal to R over 100. So 1.012 minus 1, that is equal to 0.012 is equal to R over 100. To find the values of R, 100 multiply this number, so 0.012 multiply with 100. After multiplication with 100, we get 1.2. So final answer is 1.2. Question number 14. Y is directly proportional to the square of x plus 3. When x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5, find the values of y, that is when x is equal to 1. So according to given condition, y is directly proportional to the square of x plus 3 square. So y is equal to k into x plus 3 whole square. Putting the given value, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 is equal to k. X is equal to 2 plus 3 square. 5 is equal to k. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 square is 25. To find the values of k, 25 divide with 5. So 5 divide with 25 is equal to k. So k is equal to 1 over 5. This is the values of k. And now y, find y when x is equal to 1. So using this formula, y is equal to k into x plus 3 square. So to find y is same, is equal to k is equal to 1 over 5 into x. Here x is 1. Put the values of x is 1 plus 3 square. So y is equal to 1 over 5 into 1 plus 3, 4. 4 square is 16. So 1 by 5 multiply with 16, y is equal to 16 over 5. So divide with 5, that is equal to 3.2. So final answer is 3.2. Question number 15. A bag contains 5 green buttons. 2 blue buttons and 6 white buttons. Maya take 2 buttons at random from the bag without replacement. Calculate the probability that one button is green and other button is not green. So in this question have two cases. So case 1 is, we discuss first case 1. So case 1, probability of green. Probability of green, first of all we total of button. The total button is 5 plus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 13. So total button is 13. We find the probability of green. The green button is 5. So 5 out of 13. And second possibility is for probability of not green. Not green. So not green is 2 blue and 6 white is 8 over 12, because one green is already taken. Okay, that's why we write 12, case 1. So case 2 is, first of all we take not green. Case 2, probability that is not green. So how many not green is 8 over total is 13. So second one is probability of green. Probability of green is green button is 5 out of 12, because one is already taken. To find the total probability, probability of total is equal to 5 over 13 multiply 8 over 12. This is a case 1, plus case 2, 8 over 13 multiply 5 over 12. Multiply these values and after then plus, we get 20 over 39. 20 over 39. So final answer is 20 over 39. Question number 16, part A. Find the magnitude of the vector. Using formula to find the magnitude, square root first minus 4 square plus second is 5 square. So minus 4 square is plus 16, 5 square is 25. Sum of these number we get 41. So square root of 41 is equal to 6.4. 6.4. So final answer is 6.4. Part B. This is a diagram. The diagram shows a triangle OAC, where A is the midpoint. A is a midpoint of the straight line OB. OA is equal to X and OC is equal to Y. Find CB in terms of X and Y. We know that this is a given. A is a midpoint of line OB. So the distance from O to A is X and A to B is also X. Okay. To find CB, using formula CB, CB is equal to OB minus OC. C. So OB is equal to x plus x, that is equal to 2x. So OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to 2x minus OC. So OC is equal to y. So final answer is 2x minus y. 2x minus y. Question number 17. Simplify 8. Simplify 81 x raised to the power 12 overall power 3 by 4. So we know that we write 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to 81 and x raised to the power 12 overall power 3 by 4. So separate power with each terms. 3 raised to the power 4 overall power is 3 by 4 and x raised to the power 12 overall power 3 by 4. So 4 cancel with 4, 3 raised to the power 3 and 4 1 is 4, 4 3s are 12. So x power is 3 and overall power is 3. 3 raised to the power 3, that is equal to 27 and 3 multiply with 3. So x is equal to 9. So final answer is 27 x raised to the power 9. This is a diagram. Show the position of 3 towns U, V and W. U is the west of U and angle UVW is equal to 120. Calculate the bearing of U from W. Okay, we calculate this angle. And this angle is equal to 180. This is a bearing angle. So this angle is equal to 120. So this statement show that Y is near to west of V. It means that this is a straight line, is a perpendicular angle. So this angle is equal to 90. We take only this angle. So 120 minus 90, 120 minus 90, that is equal to 35. So here angle is 35. So this is also alternate angle. So this angle is also equal to 35. This angle is also equal to 35. So using law of sine, law of sine is equal to sine W, this one, and this angle divide with front angle. Front angle is 23.3. Okay, sine W is equal to front angle. Front angle is this one, 27.3 is equal to this angle, angle V. Sine V and V is equal to 125 over front angle. Front angle is this one, 62.4. 62.4. To find W, W is equal to sine inverse sine 125 over 62.5 multiply this value. This value is equal to 27.3. Calculate these values. We get W is equal to 21. So 21, W is equal to 21. So this angle is equal to 21. So this angle from this to this angle is 180 and this angle is equal to, now we find this angle is equal to 21. 1. Okay, and now we find the bearing from U to W. To find the bearing from U to W, bearing of U from W is equal to 180, this angle, plus this angle and plus this angle. 180 plus 35 plus 21, that is equal to 236 degree. So final answer is 236. Question number 19, part A. On the diagram, sketch the graph of y is equal to cos x. The range is 0 to 360. So we know that here is a point is 90 and this point is 270. Okay, and now is graph is start from 1 and touch the line at point 90 down, and now it take turn up at 180 up and touch the point is 270, go up again at level of 1 and go down at 360, like that. This is a required sketch graph of y is equal to cos x. Part B, solve the equation 5 cos x plus 3 is equal to 0 and range is 0 to 360. So to solve this equation, cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. So cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 0.6. So cos ignore minus. So cos x is equal to 0.6. So this cos shift on this side, x is equal to cos inverse 0.6. Okay, so take cos inverse. So values of x is equal to 53.13. 53.13. We know that cos is negative in second quadrant and third quadrant, like that. This is the quadrant: first, second, third and fourth. In first quadrant, all cos, sine and tan is positive. This is a region of sine and this is a region of tan and this is a region of cos. So in second quadrant and in third quadrant, cos is negative. So in second quadrant, second quadrant is start from 180 minus this angle. This angle is equal to 53.13. The remaining is 126.87. And in third quadrant, so 180 plus this angle 53.13 is equal to sum of these values. We get 233.13. So the final answer is 126.87 and 2 33.13 degree. Question number 20. The table show the values of y is equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 1. This is the table. We find the values of y when x is equal to 0.5. Put here x is equal to 0.5. First of all, y is equal to 3. The values of x is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 square minus 2x, and x equal to minus 0.5 minus 1. Calculate these values, we get 0.75. So here value is 0.75. And now we find the values of x when y when x is equal to 0.5. So again solve this one. Y is equal to 3, and here x is 0.5. 0.5 square minus 2x is 0.5 minus 1. Calculate these values, we get minus 1.25. So here values is minus 1.25. Part A is complete. And part B, on the grid, draw the graph of y is equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 1. The range is minus 1 to 1.5. This is a required grid graph when the first point is this one, that is equal to when minus 1 and y is 4. Here is x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 4. And second point is this one, when x is equal to minus 0.5 and x is 0.75. So this second point and this one is third, fourth, 5 and 6 point. Draw a graph start from here and connect with each point like that. So this is a required graph. Part C. By driving a suitable straight line, solve the equation. The first equation is this one, and second equation also given in the above. The first like that. This is our first equation. Y is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 1. Y is equal to 3x square minus 4x minus 1, and second equation is 0, means that here is y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 3x square minus 4x minus 2. So change the sign. Here is plus, minus, minus, plus and plus. So cancel with each other. So minus 4x and plus 4x. Here is not 4x, here is 2x. 2x like that. This one minus 2x. Okay. So remaining is 2x minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to plus 1. So y is equal to 2x plus 1. This is a slope of line. So m is equal to 2 and x intercept is equal to 1. Okay. So this is a 1. So means that x is a point, here is 1 and m is equal to 2, means that rise 2 unit. This is 1 unit and this one is 3 unit. So take point is 0.5. So this is a 0.5. So draw a straight line is here, like that. So if we draw the previous graph, look the previous graph, this one is the previous graph. If we connect this one with each other and like this one, so the touching point is this one, and this point is equal to minus 0.35. so final answer is minus 0.35. right here minus 0.35. Question number 21. The curve has the equation y is equal to x cube minus 12x. Find the gradient of the curve at point 1 and minus 11. So this is a required equation. Y is equal to x raised to the power 3 minus 12x. Take first derivative, dy over dx is equal to 3x square minus 12. So put the point of x is equal to 1. So dy over dx is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 square minus 12. So dy over dx is equal to 3 1 square 3 minus 12. dy over dx is equal to minus 9. So final answer is minus 9. Part B. Find the coordinate of the turning point of the curve. The required equation, first derivative is dy over dx is equal to 3x square minus 12. Write this equation. dy over dx is equal to 3x square minus 12. To find the turning point, take first derivative is equal to 0. So d over dx is equal to 0. So 3x square minus 12 is equal to 0. To find the values of x, shift minus 12 in this side. 3x square is equal to 12 divided with 3 square is equal to 12 by 3. So x is equal to x square is equal to 4. Taking square root, so x is equal to plus minus 2. This is a value of x. To find the turning point, we take when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, put this x in this equation to find the values of y. So y is equal to 3x. X is to power 3 minus 12x and x is 2. So y is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8 minus 12 2's are 24. So y is equal to minus 16. When we take x is equal to minus 2, so y is equal to minus 2 x raised to the power 3 minus 12 into minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 raised to the power 3, that is equal to minus 8, and minus 12 multiply with minus 2, minus minus plus, and 12 2's are 24. So y is equal to minus 8 plus 24 is equal to 16. So final answer is first if is 2, this 2 give the answer is minus 16, and this minus 2 give the answer is plus 16. This is our final answer. The end of this paper. If you face any problem from question number 11 to 21, you drop a message in my comment box. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.